Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to check friend requests in Game Center on Mac. So if you have recently sent or received a Game Center friend request, then you might want to check whether it's still pending or has already been accepted. Thankfully, Game Center keeps all your pending friend requests in one place so you can easily review them whenever you need to. So if you would like to check your Game Center friend request list, then first click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. Now look at the friend request section, and as you can see here, a notification will appear. So click on it and it will open the Games app. And as you can see here, in friend request section, I have received friend request from my brother. So if you would like to accept that, then click on this tick icon, or if you want to ignore it, then click on this cross icon. And also keep in mind that every friend request here will expire after 25 days if you don't accept them. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.